everybody, it's Pokebenge here, or Pokebenge102, or Pokebenge Slice, either one you want to call me. But let's get on, without further ado, with Pokemon Tower Defense. We are currently stuck on Mount Moon 2, but we can do a bit of training in Viridian Forest. So we'll do, see, we want you, she. So who is the last person in the team? Pidgey. Hello, you go. Oh, let's level you up. Start deep in the Viridian Forest. Yeah, we get it. So I think we should have no problem killing anything that comes through. And we're gonna try and find a Pikachu this time because my skin is technically a Pikachu boy, and I couldn't be complete without one. I can technically finally, and we want to use Gust since we're fighting bug types. Finally, bug, come on, let's catch one. Must have killed it. Those are the, oh my gosh, where's one? Yes! I caught a Pikachu! Finally! You're so good in my team. See how many more I can capture. You have no idea how many people want Pikachus. At least I caught one. Suck that, Jelly. That Gust is really helping. We're just like stacking up on that, doing every bit of little damage we can. So we need to do a bit of training here. Doesn't get much XP, but we're just going to do training and spam it here for a bit, because if you've seen the previous episode, Mount Moon 2 is quite a bit of trouble. So looks like our Pokemon are having a good time. Probably want one down there as well, to catch it when they come through and we want to use. Yeah, this kind of poison thing because I forgot to teach it that. Poison Stun Spore. Let's see if it works. No, it doesn't work. Why did I catch it? It's going to be very useful in catching Pikachus if they come that way. Pikachus are always awesome, and finally I have one. So, I wonder what level that Pikachu is at. They don't really tell you. This is what's going on right now, just using the Pokeball as like a stopping system to stop the game. Well, they have the Shed Skin ability. That's ridiculous. Maybe I should try Poison Powder this time, because they will take damage with this. They're supposed to take damage, but I do not think they do. You wanna see? I might have missed one of those. Missed a few Pikachus because I haven't been paying attention. Catch a Butterfree for no reason, even though I don't really need one, because I have an awesome one right. Catch a Beedrill though. Anyways, that Poison Powder doesn't. Oh wait, finally more. That Butterfree. Oh, I just can't reach nothing. There's nothing on that side though. Let's quickly transfer Pokemon. Give me the Pokemons already. Yeah, I got that quote from a video. We're kind of maybe scrambling up the order of who's where in this, but yep, I wonder how much. They don't appear to be leveling up, so I might want to go on to a future stage. Wait, no. We're going to do Mount Moon. Oh, it's level 11. Who's going to come out? Like we don't know. Give me a Pokemons already. Okay, so we have our team, and this should be a piece of cake, basically. So you want to set your attack to water gun, bite, tackle, karate chop, double kick, thunder shot. Lovely. Pikachu isn't very good in this, but that is nothing, I suppose. We don't really care if we beat them or not. Oh shoot. Okay, now you want to go to 75 so you can see the whole screen. You always want, oh gosh, that Pikachu is really amazing against the Zubats. Maybe not against the Geodude, but the fastest. Because Zubats are naturally the fastest, from my knowledge. And that Geodude's not going to take much damage from Pikachu, but will suffer greatly from Wartortle. And Mountain Moon 2 might actually be easier now that we have Pikachu on our side. Nationwide is not on our side. Come on, we can still make it if we're lucky. Yes! Scroll down a little bit. So we're doing pretty good. If you ask me. I did not make these games, in case you wondered. These are not mine. But they are awesome, I have to say. Pikachu. No, I have so many Pikachus eluding me, but Pikachu Slice will not. Why is that one faster? Still what I'm wondering. Almost done, get ready to charge inside. Mountain one more time. Just to get some more training. It's always good to have your toughest right there. Pikachu right there, because he's very useful. Why don't we move you right there? I don't like it so. So I still don't want to lose, even if we already know what happens if we lose and stuff like that. See what move is bad. Should probably move Nidoran over there. We already lost the Geode because of it. I'm supposed to move this at times 4 to get the training out of the way faster for you guys. Gotta be ready to catch the Pokemon if they come through. Oh, level up Pikachu. It's Pikachu Slice. And now I think we're ready for Mountain Moon 2. So next, this is just quick. I'm gonna give you a quick run through, and you can always pause me if you need to. Let's see, put you. Yep, Pokemon Tower Defense 2 is now exported. Level you up. And follow there and there. And have 2 right there. And then we will move you back there when you actually need it back there. 50. Pikachu is so useful. Now we want to target candy for Pikachu. Focus candy. Let's do that. Just steal the fossils like they're theirs. Now we have to face all of those, but doesn't I think furry swipes will do more damage than karate chop, sadly. So we'll have to change these two. Sadly. Because these are like rock types as well. Then oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill myself there. And that paralysis is so useful. Hopefully I can beat this level because of it. No, it's the Onix. I hate the Onix. But since we have a water type, using a water type move, we have a pretty good chance of it. But we are still at wave 70. Man, that Golbat isn't doing too well, is he? Level up, we want to get Primate. We still have War Blaster, and War Blaster is doing a good job, but Pikachu. And I hope Redifree can hold them off. So we want to slow them down. We want to slow them down. Come on, Pikachu, slice, level up. Then we'll evolve them into Raichu later. See how useful that Paralysis is. I think we're going to need a stone to level him up. And that's so useful. I didn't realize how useful that was. Until now. Oh my gosh, I already have tons of money and still I'm not back to those fossils. Still doing amazing. Compared to last game, that stun spore is really kicking the butts. I still can't believe I found that shiny. Oh gosh, now we want to move back there. Actually, we'll stick back up here. Level up. Learn move. Yes, I did it right. Screenshot for this. Shouldn't let them get past at all. Come on, use your stun spore. Oh, Vulpix, I'll catch you. Oh, too late. Come on, kill it. Yes. Level up. That Pikachu is really soaring the levels. So are all my other Pokemon as well. So this is the time where we can just spam the experience. No! It's Onix. I hate the Onix. Just so we can stop them from going much further. Onix is the more annoying one out of the two. Come on, we have like two fossils back there. Come on, that stupid Parasect. Always getting in the way. I wish that not cleffable too. Paralysis is really useful in this. Come on, yes. Oh no, and I just missed the Vulpix. Graveler. The rock type bosses really don't have a good chance of killing through my defenses. Just catch it. No, it's Onix. I hate Onix. At least we can stop the fossils getting through. Should be able to stop him before we can get through. Poliwag has got his own things to say about it. I don't think we'll be winning this round, but this is going to be the last encounter for this. Yep, not this time, kid. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, so lice!